And we're back post-blizzard. You can see there's a decent amount of snow. Blanketing the town pretty nicely. Good looking sunrise here. Get over here and show you some of the most intense buildup. Not easy to walk. Go Bugs Bunny style and get a couple of tennis rackets. Of course, that is the edge. I probably shouldn't get too close. And there's the argument for cable over satellite. Whew. All right. That's better. So there you go. Pretty nice buildup. It's going to be cold for the next few days, so we won't see this diminish too much, but eventually spring will come. In the meantime, just going to dig out some AC units and we'll be good to go over here. Thanks for watching.